What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And the cube that we're gonna be solving today will be this one. So we will be solving the regular 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I have this. Alright then. So this is the cube. Let me fix it up real quick. There. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors to this cube. Alright, let's talk about the pieces. So these pieces right here at the corners, these are called the corner pieces. Alright. And then these in the middle, this one right here, that is called the edge piece. And then this one in the very center is just the centerpiece. Alright, so in order for you to, I guess, understand the methods, not the methods, but the algorithms that I'm be using later, you're gonna have to learn these algorithms, these movements. F stands for face. This front piece in front of you, the one you're looking at, that's the front piece, front face. R is the right side of the cube, the right column, right. L is the left side of the cube, this part. U is the top or up. D stands for down, or the bottom row of the cube. You're gonna need to know the F and F prime. F regular is turning it this way. F prime is counterclockwise. So R is this way. R prime is downward. Regular L, you go down. L prime is up. U going this way, and U prime going this way. Regular D this way, and then D prime is going this way. Alright, so now since we got that figured out, we're gonna start by mixing up the cube. Alright, so the first step in solving the Rubik's Cube is we need to solve this top layer. To solve this, the top layer, first you need to make a cross or a T. You want to make the white cross. Alright, let me show you how. So alright, so this piece right here, it already happens to be there as it already happens to be there in the right, it happens to be in the right place. See, the white is connected to white and blue is connected to the blue side. So this edge piece has to match up with both of the centers that it's in between. So, alright, let's say this one. We need to get this, since it's orange and white, we need to get it in between here. Orange and white, so it needs to go in the middle of here. In order to get this piece over here, we're gonna need to, it's actually pretty simple. Since this piece is already here, we this there, you can scroll it up and then move it. Now see the white and the orange is connected, but now you messed up the blue. No, you didn't. If you look back, it's here. We just moved this piece down. So what you do is you move that row back. Now you see it, you have the blue and the white and the orange and the orange and the white. Now we need to find these other two. I'll show you guys real quick. Here's a red. We're gonna put this edge piece into place. So if you see here, it's a red and a white piece. So in order to get this in the right, it's in the right place, but not in the right position. So in order to get this edge piece in the right position to match the red here and the white here, we're gonna have to move it out of place. We can just move it out. Yeah, I'll show you. Move this, the front face of this part, sideways, and now you see how the white, now it's movable to this side. Now you move it here. See that? Now we have connected this white to this white, but this red isn't connected to the red here. We need the edge piece to line up with the center pieces. So it's simple here. We just, as the red is here, we turn the top row. Now both of these are connected, but if you see here, the blue is no longer connected to the blue, the orange is no longer connected to the orange. So turn it back. Now, since this is here, and these two pieces are here and here, turn this piece with the red down, and now turn this piece that you turned back to place. Alright, and now the blue is connected with the blue, the white is back in place. So what you do is, this red that we aligned earlier, you want to just turn it upwards, and now you see that we have this connected and this line connected. So now we need to put this last piece. It's right here, and it happens to be in place. So when it's just like this, all you have to do is you solve what you need, that T. Alright, now since we've solved the T, now what we need to do is solve these corner pieces. When you're solving, you always want to make sure to keep the color that you're solving upwards. It doesn't matter which way you hold it, as long as you have this color upwards on the top. So let's start with this piece since it's here. The color of this edge piece is white, red, and green. We need to get this edge piece in between here. It's under where it needs to go. In order to do so, simple. Turn it to the white facing you. What you want to do is, since the white goes here, you move this white corner piece away from where it's supposed to go. Now what you want to do is, since this goes here, you bring the right column down, and you turn the bottom row that you turned away, you turn it back, and you see how it connected now? The two colors connected. You bring it back up. Boom. There you go. Now let's do another example. Alright, this one happens to be here too. This color is white, red, and blue. This piece needs to go right here. So this piece is on the left this time. Perfect example. So you turn that bottom row away from where it's supposed to go in. So it's supposed to go on this left side. I'm gonna turn the bottom row to the right. So you bring down that left column. You turn that row that you turned away, you turn it back. Alright, now you see the red aligned with the red, and the blue is here, the piece we took away. Now you bring it back, and you solved another corner. If you happen to get a piece that's here, it's in the right place, but not in the right position because the colors are misorientated, what you want to do is this simple algorithm. Hold this on the top right corner of the face that's looking at you with the white facing upwards. You want to do a simple algorithm that goes R prime, D prime, R, D prime. So just keep doing the same algorithm. Now we just need to solve one more. Where's the piece? Where's the piece? Right here. Perfect. So this piece is under where it needs to go. Now, simple. we'll just use the same algorithm that we used to solve it the first time. Now we've solved the first top layer. Now we need to solve the second layer. Since we solved the white side first, make sure to always keep the white side on the top. Now we need to be able to fill in these edge pieces with some of these. We'll start with this one. So this piece is green and red. Turn the green. See, since the green is showing, you turn the green until it matches up with the green center. Alright, in order to get this edge piece over here, we need to move the row away from the colors in the bottom, opposite of what's in the bottom. So red. So since red is on the right, we're going to need to move the bottom row to the left. Move it away, bring down the right side. Now turn it back to align the greens again. That row that you moved down, the right row, you want to put it back in place. Now you see that we've messed up this corner piece, but we haven't really because it's right here. Now you want to turn the cube to the red, to the red face. Keep the red showing and the white up. The white goes on the left. Move the white to the right, opposite of where it's going. Bring the left down. Turn the bottom row back into place. Turn this back up. Okay, now since we solved this side, let's solve another side. Let's say you get the situation that the edge piece is in the right place but not in the right position. You see the colors are alternating. So now what you need to do is you have to place another one of these edge pieces in its place to take this out in order for you to solve it right. So what you do is you move it away, you bring the right side down. Now you unturn the turns you did. Turn it so the white piece that you messed up is facing you. So the white piece is on the left column. Turn it away from the left. Turn the bottom row to the right. Bring down the left column. Now you turn back the row, turn back the column. Now you see, originally it was the blue and orange here. Now it's over here. It's really the same thing. You turn the blue, align the blue with the blue, orange is in the bottom, orange is here on the right. You move it away. Since it goes here on the right side, you bring down the right column. You turn back the row. Now you turn back the column. Now you turn it to the white piece is facing you and the orange is facing. Now the white piece goes on top. You turn the bottom row away from where it's supposed to go. You bring down that left column and see how it puts it into place. See that? And now we turn it back. Alright, now we've solved this. So basically that's what you do for all of them. I'll do a quick solve. Okay, now you see that we have solved the whole first layer and the bottom layer. Okay, so now what you do is you turn the cube completely upside down, because now we need to solve the bottom layer that is now the top layer. So in order to solve this, if you get this pattern right here, this backwards L shape, then so you do this algorithm: front, right, up, R prime, U prime, and then F prime. Now you see that you're left with this straight line. You want to keep that straight line the way it was. Don't move the Rubik's Cube any other way. So, and then you do the same exact algorithm again. Front, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now, you see, we solved the yellow cross on top. So now, what you need to do we need to align the edge pieces with the corresponding colors. So in order to do this, okay, so what you do is, since you have two sides, right, you have two of these sides aligned and the others aren't, you want to hold one to the right and one behind you, so like this. So then you want to do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, R, U, R prime, U. Now you see all these colors are aligned. So now we're almost done. Alright, so now you need to find one corner piece that's in the right place but not in the right position. So you want to keep this piece, this corner piece that aligns with all of the colors on the side, on the bottom right of the top, and you want to keep the top facing up, right? Then you want to do this algorithm. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Alright, keep doing that until all of the other corner pieces are in the right place. Okay, now I just finished doing it, and you can see this is still here where it was before I did that algorithm, and now this one is in place, and these two, I guess they automatically solve themselves. So now doing this, it's simple. You still want to keep holding it the way it's unsolved, and you want to do the same algorithm we did in the beginning. You want to do the R prime, D, R, D prime. Just keep doing that, and eventually the pieces will fall right into place. See that? Now it's here. So in order to solve this last one, just rotate the top. Don't move it out of position the way you were holding it, since it was here, right? So don't move it out of place. Just move it this way, right? And just do that algorithm we did earlier. Keep doing the same algorithm. And now, once you're done, you'll have this. Just move the piece, and you're done solving the Rubik's Cube.